What's up guys, my name is David and today I want to show you how you can cancel some subscriptions you have from AOL, either how you can add something, a subscription, a new one, you can buy, you can buy something, how you can manage it, how you can see the bill date and so on. So for this we'll have to reach notmail.aol.com. This is the official address to reach the mail page, but to reach the subscription page we have to reach another website which is called myaccount.aol.com. You need an internet browser for that, like Google Chrome, Mozilla, Internet Explorer. If you have a Mac you can reach Safari, doesn't even matter, you just have to type in the address bar myaccount.aol.com. and now let's have a look at what's here. If we go to my services, we can see here we can find all the subscriptions that we have. If we paid for something, let's say if I had an active subscription, I would see the subscription here, but I don't have any. If we go to my benefits, very important, here we can see every benefit that we have from AOL. If we pay for something, from here we can download or install that. Let's say we have McAfee from AOL, from here we can install McAfee if we pay for McAfee from AOL on mybenefits.aol.com. Let's go back a page, see what else it's inside here. From here you can manage everything. If we go to my wallet, we can see the payment methods, the card, or what you set here with what are you paying. Also from my wallet we can view the bill date, but as I don't pay for something, I don't see anything here. Or if you want to buy something, you can go to the ad services, AOL plans or premium subscriptions. If you want to change the plan or upgrade it, you have to go to plans, or if you want just to buy something individually, you have to go here. But if you just want to cancel a subscription, we can go to my services and my subscriptions, I believe it is, yeah. And from here we can cancel something, but as I don't have something, as I told you, we can cancel it. So that was the tutorial, and I really hope I help you with this one. If I help you, don't forget to thumbs up the like button and leave a comment if you have any questions, because I will get to you as soon as possible. If you have any questions, I will respond to you. Don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and one more thing I want to tell you, please have the greatest day you can possibly have, and I really hope I help you with this guide.